Hey guys, this is Ray from the Great Falls Public Library, and today we are going to do a monster-themed toddler time. It's for babies and toddlers birth to 2.5. We're going to be reading Romping Monsters, Stomping Monsters by Jane Yolen, and we are going to need today a scarf or a piece of fabric, a towel, a t-shirt, because it's fall. So we are going to pretend that these are some falling leaves blowing in the wind. So pause the video, go grab yourself a scarf, and let's get started. Here we go. Can you wave hello? Everybody wave hello, wave hello, wave hello. Everybody wave hello. Let's have some fun. Can you stomp your feet? Stomp, stomp, stomp. Yeah. Everybody stomp your feet, stomp your feet, stomp your feet. Everybody stomp your feet. Let's have some fun. All right, show me your wings. Here we go. Everybody flap your wings, flap your wings, flap your wings. Everybody flap your wings. Let's have some fun. All right, can you wiggle your ears? Here we go. Everybody wiggle your ears, wiggle your ears, wiggle your ears. Everybody wiggle your ears. Let's have some fun. Good job. Everybody wave hello, wave hello, wave hello. Everybody wave hello. Now our song is done. Woo! All right, grab your scarf. This is to the tune of London Bridge. All of the leaves are falling because it's fall. Sometimes instead of saying fall, we say autumn. Autumn and fall mean the same thing. Those are both the season that we're in now. Goes like this. So we are going to wave up and down because our autumn leaves are going to fall down. Autumn leaves are falling down, falling down, falling down. Autumn leaves are falling down all around me. Good job. And we're going to keep going up and down. They're drifting gently to the ground, to the ground, to the ground. They're drifting gently to the ground all around me. Good job. All right, we're going to wave our scarf around in a circle. We're going to make a little wind tornado for all those leaves to fly around it. Yeah, good job. The wind will blow them all around, all around, all around. The wind will blow them all around me. Good job. All right, we're going to pretend that we have a rake. Grab it with your hands. We're going to rake, rake, rake. Take a rake and rake them up, rake them up, rake them up. Take a rake and rake them up all around me. All right, one more time. Let's wave it up and down. Autumn leaves are falling down, falling down, falling down. Autumn leaves are falling down all around me. Good job, guys. All right, do you know if you're happy and you know it? Do you know if you're happy and you know it? Clap your hands. Yeah, so this time we're going to sing if you're happy and you know it, but with your scarf. So the tricky part is we're not going to shake the scarf the whole time. We're going to hold it tight. Hold on to it nice and tight. And we're only going to shake it when I say, give a shake. Here we go. If you're happy and you know it, give a shake. If you're happy and you know it, give a shake. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, give a shake. Good job, guys. We're working on impulse control, just basically stopping and waiting. Super hard, but it's a very important skill to develop. All right, let's do, if you're happy and you know it, wave your scarf. So we're going to hold it nice and still until it's time to wave it. Here we go. If you're happy and you know it, wave your scarf. If you're happy and you know it, wave your scarf. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, wave your scarf. Fabulous work, guys. All right, now we're going to throw our scarf up in the air and catch it. Throw it up in the air and catch it. Good job. Hang on to it nice and tight. Here we go. If you're happy and you know it, throw your scarf. Woo! If you're happy and you know it, throw your scarf. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, throw your scarf. Woo! Good job. All right, this one we're going to hide our scarf. So think about it. Where do you want to hide your scarf? Okay, here we go. If you're happy and you know it, hide your scarf. If you're happy and you know it, hide your scarf. If you're happy and you know it, if you're happy and you know it, if you're happy and you know it, hide your scarf. Guys, have you seen my scarf? Where is it? I lost it. Have you seen my scarf? Oh, it's right here? Oh, good job, guys. Fabulous work. All right, let's read this wonderful book, Romping Monsters, Stomping Monsters. It was written by Jane Yolen and illustrated by Kelly Murphy. Those monsters are going to play in the park. That sounds like so much fun. I wish it were a little warmer so we could go outside and play in the park. Monsters stretch, monsters twirl. Monsters catch, monsters hurl. Look, they're playing with balls. Monsters tumble, run, and lope. Monsters jump, a monster rope. Look, they're playing double Dutch jump rope with their really, really long arms. That looks like fun. Monster hopscotch. Did you ever play hopscotch? Monster slide. Ooh, slides are fun. Monster swing and piggyback ride. Monsters in three-legged races. Monsters fall upon their monster faces. Oh, they fell down. I think they'll be okay. Monsters teeter. Monsters totter. Look, they're on a teeter-totter. Monster faces, red and hotter. Oh, did you ever get all hot from running and playing outside? Monsters clap and laugh and tickle. Can you clap your hands? Good job. Monsters eat a monster sickle. What's that? Slurp, slop, want a drink. Gulp. Oh, what happened here? I think the orange monster didn't want to share the drinking fountain. And looks like the orange monster pushed the red monster. That wasn't very nice. What do you think is going to happen next? Grumble, growl. Oh no, the red monster fell down. Say you're sorry. All better now. So the orange monster pushed the red monster down. The orange monster was laughing at the red monster. I think the red monster, maybe it hurt a little bit when the red monster fell down, but also I think that the red monster has his feelings hurt. And then, look, here's a parent monster, and the parent monster says, Say you're sorry. That wasn't a very nice thing to do. And the orange monster forgave the red monster. And look, they're all better now. And look, they have balloons. That's a lot of fun. Looks like they had a good day at the park after all. I hope you enjoyed that book. Let's try a new goodbye rhyme. This is a little bit of movement. It's from Dream English Kids, whereas most of our songs come from Jayberry. So it goes like this. Clap your hands, spin around, jump up high, wave goodbye. Let's do it one more time. Clap your hands, spin around, jump up high, wave goodbye. Bye-bye. See you next week.